everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing such an exciting video. I will be unboxing these items and also doing a review and of course my first impressions on these. Now the beautiful team at Sinbono contacted me to do a video on some beautiful looking handbags. They did allow me to pick the two, so I'm so excited to show you guys what I got. A little bit about the company though. They are 100% vegan, cruelty-free bags that I have, and I absolutely love that. I have been vegetarian for about 5 years now and definitely sort of slowly transitioning to more of a vegan lifestyle. So the fact that these are like what I stand for, I absolutely love that. So if you're looking for, you know, cruelty-free products, definitely check out their website. Link will be down below. They look super stylish. They're very affordable and they're super high quality as well. So, I mean, I am so excited to get in and see what they look like. So shipping, I believe, only took maybe about a week. I'm in Australia. Oh, they've wrapped them so well. And it looks like not even the boxes have been like destroyed. Usually the postage is so rough. Okay, so there's quite a strong smell coming from them, but that's okay. So these are what the boxes look like. To be honest, kind of like a shoebox vibe. Let's open the smaller one first. So this is called the Ella Acrylic Mini Crossbody Bag, and this is in the color Ice, and it's meant to look like a lizard type leather. Again, this is a vegan cruelty-free leather, and this usually retails for $79, but on their website as of today it's on sale for $59. So you open the box and this is what it looks like. So I love when bags come with like dust bags of their own, so when you're not using them you can just pop them in there and they get, you know, looked after. Okay. Oh, the color is beautiful. Sorry, someone's calling me. Wow, I actually love that. I am such a beige person. Now, I am very like white, beige, black, like that's my comfort zone, but I wanted to get something a little bit fun, and this, I mean, this color is stunning. Oh my god. So I'm into crossbody bags a lot at the moment. Okay, let me just get organized. So they have like little sachets in them as well. Don't know what that is, but whoops, they've packaged it so cute. Oh, I really love it. And look at that. I have to say they really do feel like high quality. Like they don't feel like cheap or like really flimsy at all. Of course, when you buy a bag and it has a strap like this that's been sort of tied up, it's gonna take a while for that to like, you know, wear in and get straight, but that's so cute. I'm in my gym clothes, but let me, it's so cute and crossbody. Oh my god, that's the perfect just chuck everything in bag. I really like that. Let me do this. Oh, I really like that. And I love the little acrylic detail here. It just adds something. It's a really good length. It feels so beautiful. I kind of can't believe that it's a vegan leather. I'm shocked. That is a stunning bag. And I love the fact that you can The strap doesn't come off, but you could easily just put it back in and hold it as a clutch. Wow. I really like these. Okay, this box. So this bag I am definitely super excited for. So this one is called the Mia acrylic top handle bag in ivory. And this is in like a crocodile looking leather. This is usually $99 and on sale currently for $79. Oh, I just got a sneak peek. Oh my God, look at that. Oh, I really love that. This, I love how they've put the protector here. Okay, so this is a crossbody bag as well, but it also has the acrylic strap. They've really packaged this so nicely. Wow. Okay, this is so stunning. Okay, wow. Again, it's kind of hard to believe that they're not actually leather. And this strap, oh my God. Okay, so let's put this on. Okay, so you basically, with this clip, you just push it in and just thread the strap through. So I really like that. So with this, you can really like personalize your bags, which is so cool. Oh, I'm actually really, I have to say I'm really impressed. Like, just the whole experience with the company so far, and definitely the quality. Okay. Oh my God, this bag. Oh, it's so cute. And I love the fact that you can have this crossbody. Obviously the straps need to be worn in, or you can hold it like this, which I love. Like this. Let's see the crossbody length. That's perfect. Yeah. Oh my God. They're so cute. I actually don't know which one I like more. I think they're so nice. Wow. So I do need to confirm, but I do believe I will have a discount code. So if I do, it will be down below. But even if you're not specifically looking for a vegan leather handbag, honestly, I do believe that you should check out these products. These are stunning. Like, honestly, they feel beautiful. They look so beautiful. And I have to say, they look like real leather. And like the up close, like this is a crocodile and this is a lizard look bag, and I have to say, I don't think I could like really tell the difference. So beautiful. They do have a slight smell, but it's not like overwhelming. But yeah, I am so happy with them. Honestly, again, check out Sinbono. Amazing company to deal with, amazing products. I'm really honestly blown away. Like, wow. If you do have a bag or anything from Sinbono, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know what you have, and out of the ones I chose, let me know which one you prefer. I actually don't know if I can choose. They're both so cute. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.